Yeah, Reeheld, this is an amazing, I think I just sent you a picture. This is an amazing app for long exposures. You know, when I started out photographing, we lived in Croton 35 years. And the new Croton Dam is only 5 minutes from my house. And the spillway, that's a picture I sent you, and I think you could show it. When we first came here, I'd have a tripod. I'd have an expensive digital camera. I'd have expensive lens, neutral density filter, a cable release, all this stuff. What Reeheld does, it's an app for the iPhone. I took a 15-second handheld exposure to blur the water. And
So the app just came out today. It's $3 yearly, or $8 to own it. And I would pretty much say that every person who's watching this or listening to us right now would want to get this, because
Absolutely.
Why not, right? Why not? I'm really excited I'm going to try it out down at the beach later tonight and see what I could do with it. And what happens to tripods, Rick?
Well, I don't know what's going to happen to try. I think if you need a longer exposure, right? I mean, it is only, I don't want to say only 30 seconds. You know, most of my water pictures are taken at a quarter of a second or a fifth of a second. Like 1 second is sometimes a long time. So I was really pushing it at 15 seconds. But I think for 95% of my water pictures, flowing water pictures, this is going to be perfect.
Yeah, I can't wait to play with it some more. Okay, Bonnie, want to know, are we talking about the Reeheld app? Yes, this is Reeheld, which comes from the folks at Reflex. Reeheld is a new app that is just introduced today, where they say that you could shoot handheld without a tripod. Our new revolutionary iPhone camera app that lets you capture stunning long exposure photos without the need for a tripod. Whether you're a pro photographer or an amateur enthusiast, Reeheld is the perfect tool for taking stunning long exposure shots on the go. Okay, so in here, those are some screenshots. It's kind of hard to tell, but I pulled a few off Instagram that are already up. Okay, so that's cool. So basically what you're seeing is long flowing water. You're seeing a train flying by. They say that you could shoot at up to 30 seconds.
Yes.
And I did one. Where did my picture? Oh, my picture is next. There we go. So in my little garage here, I couldn't get really dark, but I could do a 23-second exposure of my Telecaster. So that's what we got there.
Well, you can't go wrong with any shot of a Telecaster would be cool.